Under all that new skin it's showing off, there is a soul based on MV's 3-cylinder Brutale platform, which is a blend of compact dimensions, lightweight, and incredible class-leading performance, producing 140 horsepower and 65 pounds-to-foot of torque. But will now conform to Euro 4 emission norms and will have various technical redesigns to accommodate the same without lowering those performance figures, although the top speed is now 1 mile per hour lesser than the previous model. That is more of a revelation when you want to rip on a 379 pounds bike. This is officially the most powerful bike within the MV 3-cylinder range. Almost on the hyper-sports territory. In the end, you get an exhilarating tune from the 3-in-1-in-3 exhaust, which is dipped in copper. It gets a bigger cat converter and also reduces noise emissions with the use of better insulated engine covers, and new engine mounting points also allow for better torsional rigidity. The 2018 Dragster 800RR will come in 2 color options: glossy grey with fluoro yellow being and pearly white, anthracite grey with fluoro red. US pricing and availability are TBD. In the European markets, however, the 2018 Dragster 800RR comes with a price tag of €18,900, $22,250, which is €450, $530, more than the 2017 version.